Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. Locking in another good day, so I had a good day yesterday, locking in another one today. But if you guys are new to this channel, or if you guys keep coming back and liking these recaps, today is going to be a very special one. I am going to include a very nice breakout squeeze live trade in this recap, so you guys stick around and see that. But I'm also going to be including the part where I was anticipating this breakout. I was explaining why this could happen on the live trading session, and then surely enough, just a couple minutes right after I was mentioning this could happen, it ended up happening. So I'm going to show you guys that. If you guys are new to this channel, or this is your first time watching my recaps or anything like that, I do stream free, and I do stream live every single day, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to watch me trade live every single day. All you have to do is subscribe to YouTube, hit that notification bell, and you guys can see me trade live right here every single day with the 160, 170 people that come in every single morning. And I do want to point out real quick that we have absolutely been killing it. So I'm going to show you guys a little quick recap right now of this morning and show you guys how we were all able to finish the day today. Green. Alright, so I am green, Blair is green, Tech and Money is green, Jandolph's green, Tamimi's break even, Chicago is break even on the day. Got me red. Oh no, red, sorry. Whoops. Maverick, green, Cinder, green. Vivint Experts, red to green. Green Trader, green. J-Hard, green. Rafael, red. Javier, green. Viving, broke even. Rome, do you remember GLSI? Probably the biggest squeeze I've ever seen. I don't remember it. I might see. Remember. Blair, green. Ape Trace, green. Oh my gosh, dude. There's like... Infinite Scrub's red, bro. Infinite Scrub's like the only red person here, and he doesn't even trade. Guys, we're all green today. So, just a quick little recap. Team absolutely killed it today. Like, I would say 80-90% of us that were trading this morning were absolutely, were finished in the green, sorry. And so, you know, it's just a lot of fun trading live community. So, you guys definitely check it out. Hit that notification bell. Come watch me live trade tomorrow, 15 minutes before market open. So, I'm going to go over my trade real quick. And then, like I said, I'm going to go back and play that video of me calling it out. Or I guess I could probably do that first so you guys can keep an eye, so you guys can kind of see what I was looking at. So I'll explain it real quick and then I'll go over it. So the only ticker that I traded today was SONN, where I made $850, and that is going to be this ticker. So let me go ahead and show you my trades. You guys can see that I'm trading real money. This is real money that I'm making, real trades that I'm taking, not a paper sim account. So here it is. I took that initial flag. I wish I would have taken this one and held it a little bit more, but this one I'll explain the downtrend break. And then once we got into this consolidation right here, this started looking like SONN yesterday, S-O-N-N yesterday, where at the morning, you know, look down here at my 5-minute chart, you see we try to pop up and then flush back down, then pop back up and flush back down. But you could tell that this zone right here had a bunch of sellers. And eventually, once we broke out of that zone up here, once we started reclaiming the high of days, this thing absolutely went parabolic and went from 1.8 all the way up to 2.7, which is, you know, $1 a share. And so when I saw SON this morning consolidating here, let me delete my trades here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This area right here, you can tell shorts were piled in, right? So you see all these topping wicks defending that 250. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And on stream, I mentioned this is probably doing the same thing as yesterday. If we get out of this 250 right here, we do have that previous high of day from yesterday, which was 2.7. So if you zoom back out, we had that previous high of 2.7 yesterday, but I was like, if we start holding this 250 and really squeeze the people out of 250, all those shorts, this thing might go parabolic all the way up to 270, and maybe go up to that 200 moving average or $3 or anything like that. So I'm actually going to play the clip right here and show you guys. This was live, and this was before that move had happened, so here you go. 70, so we'll see. I do want to keep an eye on this one though, because if this one squeezes the heck out of all the shorts at here at 250 and gets into another grind like yesterday, if you look at my 5-minute down here, for those of you guys that can see my 5-minute, so TikTok you guys probably can't, you know, it's kind of in this mode right now, right? Wick, 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 wick. But when it got out of that mode, oh my gosh, this thing went parabolic. Just squeeze, 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 right? Shorts have nowhere to enter, you know? And that's hopefully what I'm looking to see happen today. If we break out of this 250, you know, we get all of these top and wick shorts to get out, and then hopefully we actually ignite another squeeze and go back right back up to 260, 270, possibly $3. And if this, all right, right there, you know, We go 260, 270, possibly $3. Incredible. Now this thing actually did exactly what I said. Literally went through 250, went up 260, hit a new high of 270, and then hit $3. So now I'm going to explain my trades here, and then I'm going to show you that actual live trade of the last one. So the first trade that I took was this break of downtrend. If you actually look at the 5 minutes on down here, we had a little bit of a downtrend from the 270 yesterday, so that was the high of yesterday. We actually came down and hit a couple of points here in pre-market where you could see, let me see, right there. So it kind of spiked down there, which is kind of these points here and that one there. I could have drawn a little bit down, a little bit more, but we actually broke out of that downtrend here with decent volume. You know, the first couple of minutes didn't have anything, but after that, you know, it kind of picked up, and then it put in this flag, and that was the very first flag I took on this stock. I started adding down here on this flag here, and then was selling as it was ripping, but I don't think I had full share size on that one just because it wasn't the #1 stock everybody was watching yet. I knew it had potential, but at that point, not a lot of volume was in it. You can see the volume here is that kind of volume, and we eventually got this kind of volume up here. So it definitely wasn't the main stock then. Took a couple trades through here. I think I bought the dip several times here. And you know, I kind of got stopped out of it once or twice. I think I got stopped out on this red candle here. And then my final trade, you know, the whole time I was saying 270 is high of yesterday. If we break 270, we can go to $3. You know, this thing can go parabolic, especially after seeing this price action. That's what really, you know, in my mindset, there's a lot of shorts in this stock. If we break through this and they start squeezing, this thing can actually shoot up like crazy, and they can start panicking and having to buy to cover. So I took one trade. I let this thing go. It finally pulled up over that 250. So now I'm looking to hold 250, right? This dip right here, it came down to 250, happened so fast. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to take that trade, but I did nail this entry here, this bottom one. Now, I kind of was looking at that 250 again, so I took a small starter, like bottom tick this candle right there, but I took a small starter, 2,500 shares. And I was looking to add 5K if this thing dropped down to 250 and retested that again. I would have added 5K more, been in a total of 7,000 shares. But unfortunately, it didn't do that. At least I'm glad I was in the trade because I jumped in with 2,500 shares. And I think at this point I was probably up $500 on the name. I think 550 from what I just saw in the video. And so I jumped in right there, and then this thing started opening up, created a new high of day. I think I sold a little bit. Then I was looking for 270. Finally got 270. Why am I looking for 270? That's previous high of yesterday. Once I got 270, I let go of a little bit more shares. And I kid you not, at this point, my chart was like this. And this thing exploded, went out of screen. I wasn't able to see. I still had a little bit of a shares, and so I ended up just changing my share size. I sold. I couldn't even see the price. I just sold up there. I think my highest sell was 292, which was pretty crazy for not being able to see the stock. So way up here was my highest sell, and then it came back down. At that point, I had like 200 shares left. I was so excited. I didn't want to. I just wanted to close the trade out and lock in my profits. So I think I fully got out somewhere down here, 270s, maybe 280s. But here is that live trade. Pretty cool. So let me show you guys this, and you guys can watch this live. This thing really has momentum. Watching it, 5 seconds left here. Let's see if this ignites that squeeze through 261, 270. See, I'm still saying ignite that squeeze, ignite that squeeze. I was calling this thing to have some kind of momentum before it even happened. Frick. No, here, I'm looking for that 250 retest. You know, I don't want this thing to go up and absolutely flush, but I do want to catch a little bit of a bounce down here. Ads yet? No ads yet. No ads yet. I might take some down here, but see, it spikes down to 250. I guess I could have taken a trade. I should have jumped in right there, but I hesitated and I didn't. I wanted 250. 250 might get in. So eventually, this thing maybe recovers all the way back up. It recovers all the way back up. Good momentum. I was saying the stock was very strong. 270 possibly. And so here's that next pullback. There's where I'm. You know what? This candle just recovered that 250. I might not get 250 again. Let me get a starter in here. Give me a little pushback here. I'm going to add small here. So there's my starter. I mean, I bottom ticked that candle. Instantly red on the ticker. Just to get a starter. And I want to see if I get that 250 retest again. And then see if we fly up on this one. I want to see buyers start coming in here again. Let's see if we get to push through that 260 and then maybe 270. A lot of buyers there. Now, I was looking for that 250 retest again to add bigger, but in this scenario, like I said, it just started going. At least I was in it. 114 orders on the ask. There's a crack of that little wall there. There's the little push. I'm going to take some out. I got 2,000 shares left. This is my fast movement. Now, another thing that I want to point out on this one is I managed this trade very fast. I always say to you guys, please learn how to use Active Trader or your hotkeys or any broker you can, because setting stops and plays real fast is going to do you good. So you can see right there, I canceled my stop, I sold a little bit, and then I quickly go back to my Active Trader and put a new stop. Active Trader, stop at break even. So stop at break even, 2,000 shares. If this thing flushes, I'm out. But if this thing rips, I still have 2,000 shares in it. Let's see if we get to push the 360, 270. Here it goes again. Here it goes again. 261 there. It pushes. 10 seconds left. This is double topping now. Take some. There is another push. Breaks that double top. I sell another 500 shares, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Cover myself. Instantly go back and put a stop loss. Profit out. Take some profit out. 1,000 shares left. Go manage my share size. I know I have 1,000 left. Adjust it to 1,000. Go back down. Put a stop loss in place. Go back up to Active Trader. Put my stop. Again, I am risk-free on this trade. If it comes back down and stops me, I lose $41. But if this thing rips, now I'm safe in this trade where it could explode and I'm in it, or it could flush and I get stopped out at break even. Basically lose the $40 that I'm in profit. Up in place. I'm ready to go. Set again here. 270, 270, 270, 270. At this point, I'm seeing 270. 270 is high from yesterday. I might break 270, but I can at least anticipate to come up to 270 and get maybe a double tap or shorts to be up there. 270, 270, 270, 270, 270. Let's go! 275, 278, 279, 285, 290. Oh my gosh! $3. And I'm out. But I mean, that thing ripped up so fast. It literally went out of my screen right here. It literally went out of my screen. 275, right? It hit 275 and my target was 270. So as soon as it hit 275, I let go of half of my shares. I had 1,000 if you guys remember. So I sold 500 there, and then this thing just 275, 278, 279, 285. Absolutely rips, squeezes shorts out, goes out of my screen. I can't see it anymore. I'm up $900 on the ticker, and then here is when I'm up I have 500 shares left. I can't see the price. My Active Trader is stuck behind my chart. I can't see it. 290. Why does my mouse have a little thinking? But anyways, I can't see the price on my Active Trader. I can't see the price on my chart. I have no idea where the stock is going, but at this point I quickly go to my Active Trader. Everything is fast. Everything is fast. I don't want to sell the whole thing in case this thing shoots past $3 and goes up 350 into a halt, but I couldn't see that, so I quickly descale my share size. I go down to 300, so I want to sell more than half of what I have, so I go down to 300 right there, and I punch my sell button. Now it pulls back down, so I'm able to see that I sold 392, but I still... Oh my gosh! After that, I still have 200 shares left. If this thing would have gone past 310, 350, I still would have had some. And I think this stock had room up to the 200 moving average of 360. So I had that in mind. But in this scenario, this thing hit $3, flushed back down. $3! I just want to get out of that trade and lock in my $846 profit on that one. And that's the trade. That's literally most of the trade. Well, that was half of the trade, because that was this trade here where I made $300, $400. I wasn't in full share size, but I caught a bigger move, so definitely helped me out. But I was up already $500 from this trade here, and then I think I took some scalps through here, or this one right there, I think. Let me see. So I was showing you guys that. Yeah, so I took some ads here, sold them there, took ad again, sold it there. And then kind of chase this front end here where I made some profit there as well. 218, sold 220, 23, 30, 32. So that was a good sell. Fully out of that. 229 was another key level there. That was the initial of the gap fill. So it could have taken some trades here, but to me looked like it was extended. But anyways, that's going to be it for this recap, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys learned something. Hopefully you guys like that live video feed. But if you guys do, just hit the thumbs up, like the video for me, leave a comment down below. If you guys have any questions, if you guys thought that was awesome, anything at all, just leave a comment down below. Promote it to more people. Make the algos promote it to more people, and they can come in and watch. Like I said, guys, come in and watch me trade live every single morning. And I promise you'll learn a lot there, and you can ask questions as I'm trading live. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. You guys have a good rest of your day. Protect your profits if you're still trading, and I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good day.